Okay, you go. Go ahead. You can go. Unwaxed. Waxed. You can see where the wax stops just after the ladder there, up in the upper portion, top upper portion. We put protectant on this roof. Protectant is good for over a year, so that you don't have to buy expensive parts that are on the roof or get holes in the roof. These fixtures, very expensive fixtures, they need to have protectant on them because of the sun. The sun cooks them and makes them brittle, and then you have to replace them. Also, the seals have to have protectant around the seals. Otherwise, they may open up and leak inside of the motorhome. This whole white roof needs to have protectant on it, at least once a year. Otherwise, it can be damaged by the sun also too. It'll oxidize. This portion right here is oxidized. It causes fading, and it will eventually destroy the outside of the motorhome. So you need to have it protected with a nice coat of wax at least once a year. The side is waxed. We are presently at Mobult RV in Port Angeles, Washington. This is their building.